How to make a 3D printed folding quad.
Jeez, I thought that was gonna hit me.
Now I will go through the steps to build this quad. All the 3D printed files can be found at thingiverse.com. This is the finished quad unfolded. This is the finished quad folded. Electronic parts are examples of the parts I used for this project. Motors and speed controllers. Props. 6-channel radio. Power distribution board. Flight controller. Mounting hardware. You may have your own substitute hardware. Body and frame mounting. Second layer mounting. Landing gear mounting. Folding arm and pivot mounting. Folding arm clamping locks use hex nuts superglued and pressed into the knob. The threaded rod is superglued and threaded into one knob. Miscellaneous. Knobs are printed with a scale of 0.6. Print 8 knobs. Folding arm clamping locks assembled. Assemble 4 sets. Arm clamps are shown installed. Print 4 sets of landing gear not scaled. Landing gear is bolted to the bottom of each motor arm. All quad parts are found at one location, scaled 0.75. Motor arm. Mounted motor arm and motor. Print 2 short bottoms. Print 1 long bottom. Print 1 long top. Print 4 front and back. 2 backs can be substituted with the 2 fronts with camera mounts. Attach 2 fronts, 1 short bottom, 1 long bottom, 1 short bottom, and 2 backs with two 3/8" wood beams with wood screws. Electronics are mounted on the long bottom and long top. Layers are mounted together with spacers. Electronics mounted. Motor arms mounted with pivot and arm locking clamps installed. Again, the finished quad unfolded. And the finished quad folded. I chose parts for this project based upon features, functionality, and low cost. Now, let's take a look at another short flight. Optional roll bar can be installed. Optional FPV can be installed. Camera. Audio and video transmitter. High gain antennas. FPV goggles. FPV component examples. Thanks for watching and enjoy!